Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your Ritu ma'am. Today, we are going to learn about a new family words. Are you all excited? Okay, let's start. Can you tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is letter E. And E says, yes, this e, e. And this is letter T. And T says t, t, t. Together it says at. Together it says at. We are going to learn about at family words. Okay, now it's time to read some words. First word is pa at pet, pa at pet. And second word is pa at pet, pa at pet. Third word is na at net, na at net. Okay, can you read this? Yes, this is ma at mat, ma at mat. Okay, next word is, yes, this is ja at jet, ja at jet. The last word is sa at set, sa at set. Now it's recap time. Okay, tell me which word is this? Yes, this is pa at pet, pa at pet. Okay, next word is, yes, you are right. This is pa at pet, pa at pet. Okay, now it's your turn. Tell me which word is this? Yes, this is na at net, na at net. Okay, next word is ma at mat, ma at mat. Okay, read this word. Yes, this is ja at jet, ja at jet. The last word is, yes, this is sa at set, sa at set.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Wet, yet, let, get, bet, fret.
Hope you all have enjoyed my video. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.